So today we are continuing on our journey with the place value chart. And this is how we're going to formulate our place value chart. We have the ones place, tens place, 100s place, 1000s place, 10,000s place, 100,000 place. And we know as we progress from one place value going from the right to the left, it's going to be times 10. Okay? So this is one thing they have for homework. I want them to label what would the place value chart look like, and this is what I expect to see. Of knowing the ones place all the way to the 100,000s place, making sure that they're putting the commas. Now, with that, we're going to do expanded form. So I'm going to write some digits here. Okay, where would our comma go? They know it's ones, tens, hundreds, comma. And we know that our thousands, comma, lives between the hundreds and the thousands place. So we're going to write in expanded form. This here is considered standard form. It's just the numbers or the number number name. So this is 456,809. And some I have taught them to cover. Okay, read, what does that say? 456,000. And then I have them cover that up, 809. Okay, so we want them to make sure they can read it. Now we're going to do expanded form. And we're going to use one of the multiplication strategies in doing this. So first, I'm going to take the 4 because that's a number in the highest place value. And we know the 4 is in what place? The 100,000. So I'm going to do times 100,000. Plus, what's my next digit? 5. Well, what spot is the 5 in? It's in the 10,000 spot. So I'm going to do times 10,000. Plus, next digit, 6. And what place is it in? It is in the 1,000 spot. The next digit, 8. It's in the 100 spot. So times 100. Plus, there's nothing in the 10 spot. So I'm just going to, I'm not going to put anything. I'm not even going to put the 0. I'm going to move to the next one. The next one we have 9, and it is in the ones place. Then I will have this. So this is expanded form. This is one form of our expanded form. Now, I told the students the reason why they have expanded form because it shows the value of each individual digit. Even though this is 4, we know this is worth 400,000. How do we know that? Let's prove it. 4 times 1 is 4. All these other zeros stay in this place. So 4 times 100,000 is 400,000. Plus 5 times 10,000 is 50,000. Plus 6 times 1 is 6, 6,000. Plus 8 times 100, the value of it is 800. Plus 9 times 1 is 9. Okay? And now to know that we are right, now I'm going to put it back and I'm going to add it. And if I end up with my total of 456,809, that will let me know that I'm correct. So I have 400,000. Make sure you have that spot for your comma. And then I have my 50,000, 6,000, 800, and then I have my 9, and then I'm going to come straight down. I have 9, 0, 8, comma, 6, 5, 4. 456,809. Okay? So this is standard form, and this is expanded form. Okay? Now we're going to do one more thing, and that is with the read, draw, write. Please, parents, please stress again at home the importance of read, draw, write. They have to label their work. So, for example, we're going to put Angel has 6 rings. She has twice as many as Kiara. How many rings does Kiara have? Okay? So now they must label, not just writing down numbers, we're writing down labels. The reason why we're just moving away from just writing or just solving without any order, because in 4th grade we have 2 and 3 set problems. And we have an organize and label, you can catch a mistake and not just stop too soon on a problem. So the 2 people I'm comparing is Angel and Kiara. I put the A first because that's the first. Angel was the first to come up in the word problem. Now read the first sentence. Angel has 6 rings. I'm going to label it. She has 6. Next sentence. She has twice as many as Kiara. Well, who is she? She is whoever the story was talking about in the preceding or the one that comes before that, the sentence. Okay? Now, and this will help you even if you get confused with it. One, we always say she because who is the she that we know? The only one they've talked about so far is Angel. So it is assumed that it is Angel. So let's read it and fill in Angel. Angel has twice as many as Kiara. Make sense? Yes. Now listen to this. Even if you thought it was Kiara, when you reread it, see if it makes sense. Kiara has twice as many as Kiara. That doesn't make sense, right? No. So we know that the she we're talking about is Angel. So she has twice as many as Kiara. So we're going to put a check on Angel. So Angel number has to be larger. Okay? Because she has twice as many. So over here, we're going to do our times 2. So if Angel has more, because she has to check, that means Kiara number cannot be larger than 6. Kiara does not have 12 rings. So we're not doing 6 times 2. Okay? So we know we're not multiplying on this because we already have our highest number or our product. So we're in essence dividing, or we're going backwards doing multiplication. So what times 2 gives us 6? And our answer is 3 times 2 gives us 6. So our sentence will be, our right would be, Kiara has 3 rings. Okay? Good luck on homework tonight. Thank you.